Okay, I'm going to saute some onions and a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to be making some seasoned rice or vegetable. So you can add various seasoning to this. So you can do garlic, thyme, paprika, oregano. You can do black pepper or peppercorn. This is 1.5 cups of mixed vegetables. So there is add all your seasoning to the vegetables and just let them saute at medium heat. You add about 4 cups of water. Let's mix. Alright, so we have 3 cups of water. Let that boil, and then you can add a packet of chicken. Alright, so we're going to put some bouillon mix and a half a pack of chicken noodles to our boiling water. So right now I have everything in 3 cups of water. I'm gonna add that is 4, 5, 6. I'm using a total of 6 cups of water, and I have 4 cups of rice. And we'll see how that works. You can taste it to see if it needs any more seasoning. So season to taste at this point, because I had a bunch of water. I'm just gonna let that boil and then add my rice. So we're going to add our rice. It's washed. It's 4 cups of basmati rice. Basmati rice cooks in twice the amount of water. compared to jasmine rice, which is a softer rice. So instruction for rice is dependent on the type of rice that you're cooking. I'm gonna stir in so all of the juices get mixed in equally. So just give it a nice stir, and at this point you can leave it open and just let the water evaporate and get absorbed into the rice. Okay guys, so I think I'm ready. My rice is ready, so see how it's not very sticky. It's nice and fluffy and not too dry, not too sticky. I would say this is perfect, but everybody eats their rice differently. But for me, I think this is perfect. Okay. Alright, so this is how you cook basmati rice with a little bit of vegetables and seasoning. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.